This one doesn't make sense, at least not at first. A viral Lego animation is spreading fast, showing something no one expected. Iran appearing to defend the Pope. Two sides that historically and politically don't exactly align. So when a narrative like this starts gaining traction, you have to ask, is this reflecting reality or is it trying to reshape how people see it? Let's take a closer look.
Yeah. The Iranian president picked up his phone and read about the Jesus image at dawn. The man who leads the country at war decided something that crossed the line. In Islam, Jesus is a prophet, not a costume for a social post. So he typed the words nobody expected from the side that matters to him most. I condemn the desecration of Jesus, the prophet of peace and brotherhood. He said it to defend the Pope while his warships held their position where they stood. The Pope was on a plane to Africa unaware his enemy just had his back. The White House communications room had no protocol for that. 40,000 troops in Hormuz, weapons pointed at each other's coast. And somewhere in that standoff, a statement nobody could have forecast. The Catholic congregation read it on their phones in a church in Ohio, still lit by candles. The priest read it too, nobody had the words to handle. A Quran open on a desk in Iran, Jesus' prophet, third verse. The theological bridge that war couldn't burn, for better or for worse. The world map showed the lines connecting Vatican to Tehran and gold. Two enemies defending the same figure, that's a story nobody told. Trump deleted the image, said it was him as a doctor. But the Iranian president already set the post and the world got a little odder. No surrender to the simple narrative, we hold the line, all of us. Sometimes your enemy makes more sense than the people you can trust. The Pope read the Iranian statement somewhere over the African coast. Expression moving through surprise to something like, oh, of course. The world is stranger than any map, stranger than any war. Two men on opposite sides of everything agreeing on what Jesus is for. Standing by, the warship still in position. The statement still posted. The image still deleted. The world did not simplify the day.
So, what did we really just watch? An unlikely alliance or carefully crafted idea designed to stick in your mind? Because in today's world, the most powerful messages aren't always direct. They're subtle, shareable, and built to travel fast. And whether it's meant to inform, provoke, or influence, content like this doesn't just tell a story, it builds one. The real question is, are you seeing what's there or what you're being shown? When the Iranian leader is reaching out to the Pope and sending that message, you got to stop and think about it. You really do. Well, I'll keep saying the same thing. This isn't ending. Thanks for watching. There's more to come because there's more happening.